So this is the exact view why I came over here. On one side you have this beautiful lake and on one side you have this mountain.
Today we are going to Pali Bhautli Dam, which is in Kardat.
Holy shit, look at those mountains.
Now I am in Khandala Ghat and you can see this view.
I have just put on the camera to show you this beautiful view.
So we are at the dam right now and my camera has stopped working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to Pali Bhautli Dam, which is in Kardat. The weather update, it is a little bit sunny. We have been told that it will be sunny for 2-3 days in Pune and Mumbai. The time is 12 PM right now and usually we don't ride at this time.
Chalo Ganpati Bappa Moria. And we are running low on fuel. वैसे तो लोनावला तक पहुंच जाएगी गाड़ी आराम से, but we don't want to take any risk. We'll fuel up in between Wakad or somewhere and directly we'll get going. So the route for today is Lonavala, Khandala, Khopoli and directly Karjat. So in between I guess we get Pali Ganpati. So if the time permits then we can go over there. Beach mein we'll take one stop at Lonavala, one stop at Khandala and I don't think then we need any stop. Breakfast हम करेंगे खंडाला घाट में शायद, वहाँ पे मैगी वागी कुछ खा लेंगे. So yeah, we are on the Bangalore Pune highway. I can see a lot of traffic from here. I just wish कि थोड़ा ट्रैफिक कम हो. ठीक है, जो भी है अपन देख लेंगे. अभी बाहर निकले तो ज्यादा फिक्र नहीं करेंगे. एंड मैंने रेन गियर्स पहन लिए है बिकॉज I don't want to stop in between to again put on the rain gears. उससे बहुत time waste हो जाता है. And while wearing the rain pants, you have to do a little dance. So that is a hectic process. So it is better whenever you leave, you put everything on your body and then only you leave. And our bike has completed 20,000 kilometers in just 1 year. So it has been a beautiful journey. I couldn't capture all of it because I started vlogging after 10,000 kilometers. So before that also I did many rides. I went to Karnataka. It was one of the beautiful rides. See, हमने रेनकोट पहना है और धूप आ गई भाई. ये मतलब I don't know क्या इसमें पावर है. जब भी आप रेनकोट पहनोगे धूप गिरेगी, जब भी आप विदाउट रेनकोट जाओगे बारिश गिरेगी. लाइक ये कैसे हमेशा कैसे होता है. हाँ ठीक है भाई, एक दो बार हो गया तो इट इज फाइन, बट इट हैपेंस all the time and it is very irritating because I'm wearing a t-shirt, I'm wearing a riding jacket, on the top of that I'm wearing the rain gears. So you can imagine the amount of humidity that I'm feeling right now. So we are taking the exit from the Dehu road and यहाँ से you can feel the traffic, bro. We are here near Rupesh Misal and the traffic situation over here is looking very bad. I think this is the time to fuel up. Full करा. I was expecting to fuel up in Lonavala, but मेरी गाड़ी रिजर्व को लग गई. मैंने इतना भरोसा दिखाया भाई तुझ पे कि लोनावला तक जाएगा. हाँ ठीक है, no issues. And finally, by the mercy of God, it has started raining. Man, the weather has become very peaceful. Holy shit, look at those mountains. It is drizzling very slowly right now, but ऐसा weather ही best रहता है when you are riding. Heavy rains are little risky for the riders. So right now, I am in Lonavala and I literally signed up for this, so there is no point of regretting. The advantage that we have is I have a bike. अपन भाई जल्दी जा सकते हैं. This is something new. They are giving the instructions on a mic. Technology, and it has started raining again. Let's wait at Khandala for breakfast. वहाँ पे एक stop लेंगे and directly जाएंगे अपने destination पे because I'll get very late if I stop in between again. So Khandala is just one point that we are going to stop. उसके बाद सीधा मिलते हैं अपने destination पे. आते time also we'll take a lunch break बीच में and then directly non-stop to our home.
Oh shit! Here we go again.
So right now I am in Khandala Ghat and you can see this view. मॅगी नाही भेटत का तुमच्याकडे?
हां भेटणार ना. ते झालं का लगेच.
अच्छा, त्याच्यावरच बनवणार आहे.
So quick location update, we have crossed the Khandala Ghat. बारिश बहुत ज्यादा चल रही थी, that's why I kept my camera inside the tank bag. The camera is waterproof, but the mic that we have attached, because of that the camera doesn't remain waterproof because we have exposed the camera using mic. I have just put on the camera to show you this beautiful view. Remember in my Mumbai vlog, यहाँ से हम आए थे, यहाँ पे मैंने फोटो खींचा था, मेरा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट फोटो है मेरे बाइक का वो। पीछे पूरा फॉग था एंड सी यू कैन सी एन नंबर ऑफ वाटरफॉल्स ओवर हियर। द टाइम इज 2:30 राइट नाउ, सो ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 घंटा हमको बस खंडाला में आने के लिए लगा है। बिकॉज ऑफ रेन द स्पीड रियली डिक्रीजेस, बट चलो ठीक है। I think till 3:30 maybe we will reach to the dam. Hopefully the sky has opened up now, so it will not rain I guess. If it will not rain, definitely we'll be there till 3:30. मैंने मस्त एक कॉर्न भजी खाया, एक मैगी खाया और क्या खाया मैंने, और एक भुट्टा खाया। सो आई एम वेरी फुल राइट नाउ। आई डोंट थिंक कि लंच करने की कोई जरूरत है। आते टाइम देखते अगर कहीं पे रुक जाए तो चाय नहीं पी मैंने, ओह शिट, बिकॉज़ चाय थी नहीं वहां पे, दैट्स व्हाई, नहीं तो चाय भूलता नहीं मैं। टैंक बैग में मैंने तब तक गोप्रो चार्ज करके लिया था, सो नाउ माय बैटरी इज फुल। क्या बॉम्ब चेक कर रहे क्या? ओके, आई एम कंप्लीटली इन लव विद दिस रोड यार। यहाँ से कर्जत से माथेरान का जो रोड है, इट इज रियली गुड। स्पीड ब्रेकर्स है बीच में, बट भगाने का मौका मिलता है आपको अच्छा खासा। Hello. And finally, we are at the dam. So this is the exact view why I came over here. On one side you have this beautiful lake and on one side you have these mountains. So I have seen this place in a reel. That is the reason I have came over here. Usually I don't follow the reel trend, but this place turned out to be really good. My camera was malfunctioned because of water detection issue. एंड मैं कुछ भी व्लॉग नहीं कर पाया, मेरा कैमरा ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा था। बट फाइनली आई हैव गॉट माई माइक बैक एंड यू कैन सी दिस ब्यूटीफुल डैम। दिस इज पाली भौतली डैम। ओके, आई डोंट थिंक इसके आगे गाड़ी, अरे जाएगी यार गाड़ी।
So we are at the dam right now and my camera has stopped working, so that is the reason ये व्लॉग हम यहीं पे समाप्त करेंगे। The place I can tell that we came from there first, so वहाँ पे अलाउड नहीं है। He told us to go from there, so हम यहाँ से घूम के पूरा यहाँ से ऊपर आए and this is where you can see this dam. बाकी के आपके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं मैं कमेंट्स में मेक श्योर करूँगा that I'll answer all of them. So ये व्लॉग यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय।
So this is the